What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I'm so happy to have you here today. I've got an amazing video for you guys. I am doing a whole house clean with me, and I actually filmed this video on a Saturday, and I just had little piles of messes here and there from throughout the week, and I really just needed to tackle everything and get it all done. We actually had some decent weather on this day, so I got a lot of nice sunshine coming through my windows, which is not really something that happens around my house. If you've been here before, you know that I really get all of the good light from the front of the house, but only a certain time of the day. So I had all of the blinds open, just letting in all of that natural, beautiful light. But I also just wanted to switch some things up and do something a little bit different with my editing and filming style on today's video. If you notice anything different, let me know in the comments below. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on into the cleaning. So if you are ready and you're here to get motivated, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and let's get started.
I talking to? Is somebody out there? Should I worry about who is in my head? Yeah, I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound. Empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. So
before we get too far into the video, I just wanted to let you know that I'm super excited for today because this video is in collaboration with my good friend Grace Smith. Grace is a stay-at-home mom of a beautiful 3-year-old little girl, and she creates content on cleaning, cooking, fashion, hauls, mom life, and so much more. She is so down to earth, and I know you guys will adore her. All of her information will be in the description box below, so please make sure you go and check her out after you finish watching my video today and let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming from Grace's channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mandy and I create content on cleaning, decluttering, decor, lifestyle, and more. I upload twice a week and I would love for you to stick around and subscribe before you go. We have lots of fun over here and I would be honored to have you become a part of my YouTube family.
Fading in, fading out. My scars are all blurry. Been underwater for too long, but there's no need to be worried. I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound. Empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. So I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let me go, I would let you in. So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let
So today I just went ahead and started in the kitchen because honestly that is where the biggest messes are, and I knew that was going to take me the longest amount of time. I'm pretty sure everybody is the same exact way, but I just went ahead and got the dishwasher unloaded and reloaded, and then I took my Mrs. Meyer's, I think it's the orange clove scent, the multi-purpose spray, and cleaned off all my countertops and everything else with that, except for my Dawn Power Wash. I did use that on my stovetop as well as my sink. If you guys saw my bathroom declutter and clean with me, I did use that in my bathtub as well. I've been seeing people use that for so many other things than dishes, and I will tell you, it does a really good job. So I'm honestly going to be using that anywhere that I can. I really enjoy it, and the smell is amazing. So if you've not tried that yet, or if you've not tried Dawn at all, the Power Wash, I suggest you go and try it out. Like I said, it pretty much got everything clean and the smell is perfect. But I'm just going to go ahead and keep getting everything wiped down, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on the floors as well.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance, and doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight, makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance, I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to pop on here and kind of talk to you for a minute and really just ask you a question. I want to know what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day, if you have plans at all. I know that going out and doing stuff really isn't in anybody's plan right now, but if you've got something special planned at home or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. And I think what I'm going to do is pick a random comment, and I'm going to give away a $15 Starbucks gift card. I think it would just be nice to give back a little bit, and maybe you can use that as part of your Valentine's gift or treat, or maybe just a treat for yourself for Valentine's. Anyway, I'm not sure. Whatever you want to do with it, it's yours to do with it. But let me know in the comments what you guys have planned. I would love to hear. But thinking about it now, maybe not everybody likes Starbucks. So let's say either Starbucks or Amazon. If you win, you can pick one of the two, and I will send that out to you. Just let me know in the comments what your Valentine's Day plans are. I think I'm just going to try to live vicariously through one of you guys. I'm not sure what we're going to do. do. We generally don't go out on Valentine's Day just because it is so extremely busy. Sometimes we will either do the weekend before or the weekend after and go out to dinner if we can. But I'm thinking maybe I would like to do something at home, maybe talk Ruben into putting something on the smoker or doing something on the grill, weather permitting, I'm not sure. But I would just like to hear what everybody is doing. So let me know in the comments and we will see who the winner is.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made you think if we had something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, 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 come on. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, 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 baby. Come on, 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 come
Now I'm just going to go ahead and get started here in the bedroom. I'm going to get everything wiped down and dusted, get my bed made, and vacuum the floors. And I've also got some laundry to do, so I need a big clean space to do that.
I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, I'm creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, so creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, I'm creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, so creepy, creepy.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm over here cracking up. When I downloaded that song, I really saved it because I liked the music part of it. I didn't honestly listen to the words, and I promise you guys I'm not creepy. I might be a little bit weird, but I'm not creepy. But I could have very easily just picked another song, but it was funny. So I just left it in there. If you guys didn't catch that, go back and listen to it. It was funny. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming and spending some time with me today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. If you did, make sure you go and watch Grace's video after this. Again, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe before you go. I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs.